It's hard to believe that it's already December. School holidays are just around the corner, not to mention the festive season that'll be readily upon us. Outdoor entertaining becomes a focus of the summer holidays, so it's well worth spending a weekend to ensure areas look neat and tidy before Christmas. Focus on the areas you use most, like the space around your outdoor table, barbecue, pool and entrance to your home, and then move out from there. Mulch not only reduces the occurrence of weeds, it also improves soil structure and conserves soil moisture, but best of all, it looks amazing. A layer of mulch applied now will make your garden look fabulous for the holidays, as well as preparing your garden for the dry summer months ahead. Water restrictions will be commonplace, but that doesn't mean that you can't have a garden. Most people overwater their gardens and create plants that are dependent on regular watering. Many plants can be trained to be more drought tolerant by watering less frequently, but for a longer period of time. This helps to encourage a stronger, deeper root system, which is more aggressive at seeking soil moisture rather than just waiting around for the water to be delivered. When watering, water the soil and not the leaves. And if you can, water in the morning or late in the afternoon. It's best to avoid watering during the hours of 10 and 3 when the sun is at its peak and evaporation is high. Of course, some plants are better suited to hot and dry conditions than others. Succulents and Mediterranean plants are the most suited to these types of gardens and look great throughout this time of year. Net fruit trees to ensure you get to enjoy your harvest, but always use a white fine mesh to avoid harming birds and other wildlife. Keep the net as tight as possible and peg to the ground. Alternatively, you can use individual mesh bags to protect ripening fruit. Stone fruit harvest is only a few weeks away, and after waiting all year, it'd be such a shame if you didn't get to enjoy the fruits of your labour. You may also want to put a preserving kit or dehydrator on your Christmas list to help extend and enjoy your harvest for longer. And if you'd like to know more about what to do in your growing zone this month, check the Diggers website for details.